Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
O saboyen wo ni saboyen. Ijiyan hebo yo hebo. One. Yes. Okay. Yes. Old mechanic road now, vi? Road, okay. Old road, well, go old road. Yeah, kana. Well, look, when I down here, well, you don't disturb with him. You know, you might you was done. So, boy, when you was, boy, we know who you were, and to Tanya, then you were. Yeah, or the thing I go. Oh, one that worry now. Last week of worry. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. All right, no, ciao. Yes, so my people are grateful no better style. However, my one move step by step. You understand? So I just diagnose this Monica matter, a very clear issue. Obviously, I want to make everybody listen. You understand? This will not be saga. For those GPC, I hear you why came and lost squad. No, body Monica. You know why body le. I know why I support one why support. We support the truth. Wana ndege minema, wana support evano wana yumo ya asa. Wana ndege minema, and wana support minema. Evano wana yumo ya asa. You understand? E Monica be lolo. Utakba muya ifa. No matter yenye. We no regbe Monica. If you regbe lolo. I gbegbo Monica fone. Mo be do rise oge lolo. Ni yanga hon. You understand? Abi kuona ni yuzagyo tedu. Okay, ne mato no na amio gbo. We na we lolo we go na. E dia we Monica. We na we Monica ge. E we lolo ge. Oge lolo na me ma egun kan. Eti ma you understand ni buli ka ke the fawa. E di eni na ha eni di obi Monica na. Secondly, e Monica ga we yen ma sale cha yo he. You understand? We yen ro wodo. Yen ma we ke oge ru wala. You understand? Adu ti e boyo. You understand? Oga guwe yen okawe tao or tao na gbodon get we sagano. But me to me we a point is river. What's a nata? Because eru wala o biana gbowe mi no ba ebu he wo tedo no baji no. Egbe mi na go hon egberu wala. It's not a good name. Mi no ma. We no peru wala isere do ni onwa na adu ategbe enyogun egen na ni peke mi opunu yo egbe. Okay, dane we egbon wa meru wala Almighty Zoja Nigbeya sin ehun rina yuhun ere repetuwe. Ogi Monica aye ni ya funu to social media. You wala ma we Monica off ye ni funu to social media na. Abe musician yok be gionelu wala wo yobona no do aro we live video presenters. O wa ya o wa here no maru wa o wa ga iri wa o gba mi no bi wa o wi enu wa ni. O no bi wa no wi enu wa no wa ya te wa ta ma hundawe no wa do ekeni yobo kere kere be lare no wa do ya ba wa ya tun ati e bo ni ma ni te wa ta ni ro. Wa o we presenters no gun wa tin yan ma ni ya o. Ra yan wa dan wa no tin wa ni wo ko wa ma si. A live video again na wa ni bo yan like e but wa affect each and every one of you. E Monica video na was na e mo video na Monica we video na ya ta yo ma be gbe no bi DNA test re. Moi glace ya we na ogbon la no we no DNA test re ori se gbin eniyan wa ni po bolele atawe we that a family one e suzi ya no we if a video na we mami we ti a po bolele Monica na support Monica we ba na DNA test be Monica ga no go abi we ya ga yi umare ba suzi wa mudiao iye otimi na ma we ye boy udame he video na do my mi o se na kwa wole mu latin I'm having my points ina kwa wole mu latin wa dame ho ozene a babe a my lady mommy Monica no ka do you talk no really now o we na call aro akoro call you talk e all repeat. That's the reason why whatever you sow shall you reap. Try to sow good seed so that you will give birth to good fruit. If you sow bad seed, it will definitely give birth to a bad fruit. The fruit that this woman has sown for years is what she's reaping now. So none of you should complain. When it's supported, you people should not complain. It's a law of karma. Abe GPC O2 no we have Bible. O2 no video me vie have bag of rice no ya gbenania. Iyan vi have bag of rice no ya sin you say ya gbena ni ya na ya mi to tinya. Ado yire igogo voy. Ebe de goven no vere nyon so to. Emi social media. Ude go sabo yen na le na. Sabo yen ma tin ya, o sabo yen ma yen ya we ma tin la social media ne. Because you we get na do ko bo giegi. Abe bo giegi ni adoni. Yen ya do go village. Abe e chief ahiyo yo wa. Yen igwe ko bo giegi ne. Yen ya mu ni ku ni. Abe ku ni robo do ya mu yo wa mu ku. Sili ku nya ku. Yen biele be na adije. Oyo we be lifestyle ni. Ayi na. The money they have the money things ya change. Gone of those days. A chief ya talk be, a chief video for audio or bali beka gege muno la wa mune ko niyan yoga. Gone of those days. Eviere na. Agemi u. Now, a Monica or we one bag of rice, carton of Indomie, yam, grand 4 liter of grand oil. Name it. I gave to you. Iweni, whoever know the father of enemy, we want to support, we want to use those 5 children as orphanage. Maya orphanage. They must sponsor you. Like seriously, honor that woman in a woman. Or a woman who a woman. Waiting on him. No knowing way. Is for our own selfish interest. Whoa, no di nikwegere. Agboya wo.
Hello, my people. Yeah, quickly finish and I don't know where to do my phone. So as I did talk just now, my lovely people.
I love the people.
Nana Vera come mat after 3.
Man on Tori. My people wanna listen. Ono togi or agua. Wa watch it. Wa aga we wa uno. Wa get be ya the acting, just to study her when she's talking. You will know if she's speaking the real truth from her heart. You understand? You study her movement, you can know. Monica, Oma understanding one thing. There's one thing in Monica that I might understand. Monica, Mr. Ambrose, there's something you don't seem to understand right now on social media. It is not the way it is before when your wife were in Holland. Social media has gone beyond that step now. You understand? But you and your household have failed to understand where the more they break, the more people they try to, think high. They want to think more than the way you think. You understand? So wow, get it clear. Wow, give it a script, no play the social media. I'll call it a script. You understand? Written script, no play social media. Tama kakabo agbe script ni say. At Kamano already has say. Because there are people that are watching the script. There are some editor that will watch the script, like people like us that will watch the script that she's playing, where she is getting it wrong, we will know. And that is the point we'll pick and use it against her. My advice, in case of next time, so that if you write script of lies, make sure say we know. All the lawyer do, they get ready. You don't know what acting to the voice. It all will be clear. Because why? You women cannot be preaching to us, motivating our women, motivating our young ladies, motivating our young girls who are growing up tomorrow while you are fornicating, while you are committing adulteries. It's unacceptable by us, we the men. You understand? It's unacceptable. Microwave. I'm not saying because I'm talking to Monica, it means Lolo is perfect. No. Lolo got her own side. And she got her own answer. When my time reached to answer Lolo, I go ask Lolo my own vital questions on this same platform, on this same social media, and she will answer. She must answer because our own judgment for social media, it pass na solitator, I've been a solitator, I've been a solisoke. You understand? Who not there for UK there? You understand? Because why do I do see Waniku Neovelli? This one has almost about 100 followers. This one has almost about 100 something followers that follow people. Who are you people motivating? What good example are you teaching our women? What kind of example are you teaching our women? You understand? So, let me be gathering more videos. As this one is playing, let me be gathering more video. I have somewhere I'm going to. Before we know about young guy, if you can wear Ubera, yeah, absolutely. Na ati natana na osi ezori ni Monica Lolo audio hotel. Osi ezori audio hotel. If you all could remember the genesis of all this saga, these two women saga audio hotel. Emi nuhi una wauhi. Emi numanya una wudu ya sample buonya. You understand? Fake life. Okay, your second say come out, come tell people say, now lie, not be we get you tell, not be you get you tell. Now another person
With of insulting me without I not do anything.
You did reply Vera yesterday. Vera who just joined you yesterday. Remember they beat you for the past how many months now? You know if you talk, you know the reason why you know if we talk to Baba with this man. Because woman we one. Two, common sense or order from why quick be or my say half a woman. Three, me ma de you go in what de you or mamma ya do mema. O mema mamu ho yaki sigo moda. O mema ma wona. O mema only no mama Mario Hugo. O mema eshe true. So uma ni eni ya do mema. Wala be ya do try a re o de bebore. Do a re bebore boy na boy na go no or I tia ya ge or go no. We know house. Ware in a group of my team or individual might. You understand? So why they a boy na here is the go go because what was here what was pattern him. E wona on munda vera we say vera ka vele la de vera might gba o bi sin. You understand? Or we do am ha ba we bring like 8 ye mo lo yo. Only when we munda vera. You understand? Evera is telling you the truth with what we say. Even Evera is perfect, but Evera is okay. Evera is okay. The kind of life Evera is living now, we can see that she's okay. With what we are saying now, she's okay. She's good. She's good to go. So all this one we were, but we are doing answer Evera. It's too late. But then,
I know.
It's too late.
Get any weird. Social media people will be injustice people, yet they don't see anywhere. People will not love me for social media, yet they don't see anywhere where this woman for offend this lady now. Video day at first when I forgive Mama B, you even came out that day. You want talk? You say, Mama B we forbid and but more leave her. Mommy Monica say make we leave her. I even call your platform that day. I say, thank you, my darling. I bet me could not leave her because of me. Everybody pull like. You say, oh, I forgive. I accept forgiveness of Mama Gladys. Daybreak, you repent. I come outside. I celebrate your repentance of in Winere. I celebrate them. Say good. Eh?
When I tell her this thing, he do video celebrate Vera. See Vera say one stand on his own. I call the look them. Then Vera not mention her name. You understand me? So I tell them about this platform. Say these two women get problem, which they don't want food themselves. They want this one they behave man. This one they try behave matured. And Vera they try behave matured. They don't want food themselves like market women where they be. And we all know say they are market women. You understand? There's a bunch of illiterates who say they not go school, sack illiterate for that matter. You understand? So now this one now can no longer bear it anymore. Because why? Vera says she get audio about how this woman go beg her. You understand? We all know say this woman Linus is supposed to marry our brother and start. No, I'll call him our father, Lai Mohammed. Now Monica supposed to marry because Monica and Lai Mohammed they go drag Ulai pass. They need to fight for it. It's all they need to drag that post. Lai Mohammed and Monica they fit in terms of lying. They do fit. You understand? So you see their life today now. Say they don't use their mouth, they chop bottle. They don't bring out their dirty lineage outside. You understand? Why that be now? I talk and say this year, it's a prophecy that come from Omewa platform this year, January 1st this year. Say this year, na year of confession, na year of set loose, na year of breakthrough. Year will be say many women will be set free, many men will be set free, and many women will confess. You don't see many confessions will don't happen this year. You understand? Go reach the wish, who confess the wish, who carry person head, say go South Africa, New Zealand, everything. Now see everything for this social media. Many women don't confess as they are here for this same year. Some don't repent. You understand? Some convert. And inside this year, now they happen. And I go to the at the end of this year, I go bring out the video, come play out, come bring out the reviews of the years of those social media miscreants. Or noise maker. You understand? Milk everybody for the year. Oh no, they understand me so. So what I done here? Okay, no understand. Monica, Umagwan, of a good.
The next thing you say forgiveness now can be the problem. Which of the forgiveness you say now the Mama B or where you don't fair accept? You there okay? You not there okay? Oh, me and you not go gather do this. One time let me go come my wife you la di bele ni la wa ya rewe. Now me get people where they cry follow me for this social media. Me I go repost my video where I don't do. 3 years ago or 2 years ago when I did Netherlands. Where una they cry, follow me, I tie all of una for leg. Now they do chogoro, chagara. I go they do my business. On top of the noise, I go they do business. Agboa. Eh? You and your ilaje, eh? Now one day I'll take finish una.
Tons of you on YouTube.
If you they serve God of Elijah and you make me very and you they lie, you they beg finger we feed you and your children. How you want it better for you? You never ever super chat me one day. If you super chat, I don't see maybe the entire inside €5. But my own super chat, the whole world they see and everybody say, now it make you the fight for me because they give you money. They give you money, they super chat you, and they give something to your children. As you can't reach where you go carry food, because not be my family give you, and not be me. Why you not come back and tell me say, mommy, now half back they give me. You not tell me, but that your sister or your brother where they say go carry the thing. If they tell you say, the thing na this, na that, where then you are? Where then you are? Eh? You beg for them. You beg for them. Okay, since when you they beat me, say I get what I do you. Why you not play this audio? Why you not tell the word?
So she will not say they beat her.
Say, Mama Monica, or the short one, according to you, can they talk? Do you know Vera? If I stand for where you did, now so you go before you. You are a very short person. I don't know why you are calling me short. You've not seen me on ground, my dear. I know you'll be your maid, but I don't know why. You know, they surprise me. Now your method, iku. Everyone know iku with social media. Iya muima, ya we, iya bikuyo. Iku we now. Eh? You say you get your own follower before you come they follow me. Eh? Where are your own followers now? Because the one where they sit there now, best your follower now they bow your so. I don't see you. You don't get follower. When you the cause best your my own people we still like that kind of affair. For me, not like on one day. Now few now like inside. The one will be 24/7. I not like them. Many people can bear me witness. You will say, "Hey, Samira, me Jesus." Ba u joge Vera na agoma stressible do ogbegbe we be dia egbe wa gwe me. Yes, God go bear me witness. If nobody bear witness for me, God will bear me witness. I'll say the bully is too much. A lot of people not they okay for this social media. If you talk their matter one time, rest. Oh what Jesus, mo gewe mwina we are do stop you eh. But oga home ba o so bad dege but ma gewe mwina. Iga gi stop you why yari e ba e. Kusumi mi onbe nu. Uye gbiwin wa seti ma no ma we make up a shock. Wa vio ye face no uriye popo ya unu ne uwa gbonje. E ma nu we gugu atemata now. Ero pero no ama variana ma we variave wa ye veriagmo cause u fio bod de kon ye gbewe ne u ye gbewe hin dan ne o ma no gbi me yesi me e we gbe mi okpe am yoko no re lawa if anyway not go wrong me you carry me for social media where everybody they see our own character not do you anything you think say they'll fit trust you again. Your own sister say you no go ever enter a house. Now I can see the reason why. You go say that they jealousy. Who want jealousy you for Ebute where you be? Ebute. Who want jealousy you? Say your sister that they travel. You know they travel. You know they come up for inside that your house. Nobody they see you. If you they want go draw children for school, you dress with pyjama. Who want jealousy? Who want jealousy? Jesus, I'd rather be Obiakpo and be a fine baby and be totally with Okpodu. Masquerade only akun masquerade mamuya ogun ni Jesus Christ iwe ye veri na imana ye pe yan awo ye veri na unuje be na radana unuje is good for woman to have lip than woman your girl I don't understand that kind of your man. But your sister, I be not be the same papa born. Your sister get lips. Oh, woo, ega sokekia, ega kiss. Aya koke mon. Me no get ota we na ri angeleta. O ma no tinyere unu e fa. E flat nya shiro ma hiye we e da we flat nya shina ate bo me. Uma egwero. Do not rest. Jesus, me when you say you the fight for, I come outside. I motivate the woman, make go buy nyash. Say nothing they happen. Go buy nyash. Where? When I want mu. My sister, only know we social media. I bought because I bought all corner in my view no way. Oh, eh? Elijah cannot save you when you do bad thing like this. You say you come social media, can't do waiting. Oh man, see you work, but oh man, just when the 5 with 5 children. You don't carry your pain. Enter people life. Everybody they feel show their clean, classic European children. You can't show Europe, Africa where they and hungry is hungry me. Oh man, no them where I can no where to be me job vera. Now if I make your sister bring you to me, say those children want die of hunger. I can't give them food. What it can be the problem? When I bring your sister come out, almost 200,000. Now my platform raise, go give that your 81 husband. Massive you with there.
200,000.
The one where you get for Europe, we not see him. The one where you get for Africa. Oh, come buru. Now we cause for your body. What belima, egbe wa woman. Egbelima la wo. Even the 2 friends. If they still put that my Akmagiri friend, you 2 of them, I'll just say, Baba God, leave that one. At least that one, or me, okay, they say, they make up. I be dege, make, Evera send on work, be make up, we make up, we won't say. What do judge on me? Be you are where my Daliok, when you get away for 20-something years. I'm not your mate, and I've always had my boyfriend as my husband by myself.
Bam.
By my side. I not be your mate now. Where me and you want start from?
Yes, so my people, all the Bag of Rice Squad Association, what's in Yari? I will na my bag of rice in any yard of you one. I will na the 200K in any yard of you one. What's in Yari? Now, Madam Monica, sit down, let me talk to you. Don't go say you decide not to. You can answer your issue with my Buddhian. Because if I talk to none, they hear. You super chat Vera for a platform, 50 euro, 30 euro, 40 euro. Madam, why are you super chatting with that money? Because he was working for you. Because she was your agent. You were super chatting Vera because Vera was working for you. Vera was your agent. That was why you were super chatting Vera. And you feed Vera children because Vera was your agent. Vera now the chest stand for you. Now what the chest stand? Vera the chest all those people who they fight for you. But always say this my side. You don't fit chest my side because he chest go let here. You understand? Now Vera, I will keep you alive. Therefore, the way I will beat you, when people take joy hand for want to finish you for this social media. Now Vera keep you alive. The so-called I hear you what you get. Don't feel on me have control strong mind on you. My bag money when I hear now. Carry on every bit. Now Vera na key career of all the people when they stand with you that time. You understand? God, when I'm not done. See your neck where you do neck like when they hawk rice for new building market. See your neck. When you too lie, when you too talk lie, your body you could reduce. I mean no sense is when you don't talk to Lolo, when you not answer Vera. You define lie, you deframe lie. Now you are doing handwork, homework, the frame lie when you want lie. Now the small you don't frame, now you can't blow command. My sister, the truth we want to tell you for this your lie when you lie so. You see, we don't hear this one. Even to the end of this video, you get what woman know. We now know what they call Imunere. This one when they call say Imunere, Imunere is you talk Imunere so they you not even know where children enter. For the market where they enter. You know, you can't even defend them in law. Now Carol go there.
Why? Iwa we me here. Ayo yo wa no mama o pa ya en wegbu wa na ayo fian le lu wa tan tan. Abi ko ni ayo ni po ni san. Rubbish. We no meti je tagbon e panty no we jo. Twe. Egbe na mo e panty yiri atalagba talagbu. Oye talagban, oye talagbu. Yes, besta. I'm going to be like Monica. We must swear. You what that phone? We no say we no boss area fiancé. Oh we walk back cannot way. I walk that what that thing when you what that. We must speak the truth. We must see the truth. And then the fight where you say you follow me fight. I wish you feel be the person now and not compare you. Now so you still fight amami oto amami wen. E truth we muna ni ave mi oto ave mi wen because awu gege uhin. Odo yan ja we na Nigeria amami oto amami wen emi so bia yo ni amami opa no ma wo. E me awe bia be jenni ni avera ama e dege afi wo. Because everything where you they do na half. I wish you be person where if you stand for something you must see the truth. You not gonna pay me. The one where you say you fight for me. Hey, Loleke, come here. Loleke, come here. Go see Loleke, you make copy. Who make this bad for? Who not the leg power? Oh, I said the one who is genius are looking for the truth. Confused or con. Ah, who will make our way be done? Loleke, he not go mind you. Eh? Ama who will can't go pete ne. Wa gbe ah who will evacuate me egbe nu wa koko gbegbo ai meje. Dan versus dan. He dandan wa. Rubbish. He know they carry anything me do a better. You see this Osman Jeje as well saying this. So whether it's still there, we don't know. You see just now, we'll still hear story. Because I saw it there, Dioma as they born every day. One year ago they born. His sisters come they say, oh, Vishi mami ogodo aje o, omi ogodo. Dog pa ma greve belibia. Every me no ufo, every me yok pa no ufo. Anything where put hand, you know they finish and me no say I don't finish that thing.
They will not believe.
Go do half if they run, they go, they claim it and they go. She say not get what you do me, complain. Beggy, mama beggars.
Yes, I love you.
If I need any cool worky walking on do because we're married any me.
Only the kind of
that gives up pani me.
Only the
you went here, who wear have bag, you know, very what you go me your door. Who yam we have bag, we yet me we have baggy we yam. Nese we are not when and never seen what.
Okay. This one is interesting.
Rubbish. As you juju don't clear for you, they say na juju I give you. You not even the shame. You will be like woman. Hey, like Ebony amugbo ne German lady mugbo logo wena. Anatie weba webo una wujo. Una when you atie nothing they happen. Neither worry you so. For somebody to just rise up without no quarrel. Start to follow Monica do problem. Bolorena.
Not here.
German lady mugbo.
Listen. The Monica had argument. Hey God. Hey God. When I see life. When I me bogby, when they give on me bogby. When I meet you about webo, no matter you, but with you. Omo me bo one of Germany this race. Omati wa webo, Awayelala. Do you go there? You not go. And the same Awayelala when I team mezo as GPC. We may call it demand. A demand we already think Monica no. Monica no tears about boy marry. Or we man girl no. Awayelala agbe ogbe not here, not here, but not in our way. Or when you're not discussing even at the GPC, when you're not discussing as a group, we group a GPC, and you take me ayo. Name Yesogi. Am I with a Monica or is on the group? What it when you get down? Well, because you know team Monica zone or Monica Madokoni. Monica Omiamia. Okbo biga gi won. Odigi ago ni sere owe ki yoto. Ge no unu we na unu no sawa.
Why you not take the old word that one? Where be say now when me come talk am, now you come quickly rush come on. The hand bag he give me, oh, now me give you. Shebi I say go there, go carry food bag. When you come reach there, they not give you food bag. Why you not call me? Why you not call me? Why you not even play the audio when you take thank me? Why are you hiding your own? You're supposed to play the audio when you take thank me now. Now your brother or I be your sister oh. Our family know what that is where come and come they talk. What did they say talk? In a small thing. Your sister they buy for you.
Yes, my people, before we start, make sure to share this video. I beg. Yes, so it's needed, of course, it's needed. They cannot shut our mouth closed because they want fair user and my matter by person no work. So they want to bring this one to distract us. Matter on ground will still go on. And there is audio that I want to play that will shock you guys to really know that Vera TV program is the real person. So my people, wanna share it out. So my people,
thumbs up.
yes, as I write and tell all today when I want to play, of course. So now not say this social media, they don't want truth. Thank you, beautiful makeup. Thank you, my darling. They don't want truth. More lie no super.
Lie Mohammed wife.
Lie no super. Wanna share this video? Share it out. If you're on Facebook, try to share this video. My beautiful people, good afternoon.
But we record the
Brother, they sick.
So everybody sick.
Cause my darling people. So if you don't say you there, wanna share, my lovely people, share this video. Cannot tell you. Wanna hear that? One bag of rice and cannot tell you. One cannot tell you. Wanna hear that? One bag of rice, 1 carton of Indomie. And granite oil, 4 liter. Me apply again. Yet it alone. Small carton of Indomie. 4 liter granite oil. I'm enough now understand.
Yes, so my people. Now say Monica come out. He do back, bo. 1 bag of rice, 1 bag of beans, 1 bag of Indomie, plus money, ni vion. I'm not going to see. What down how you do? We're gonna see this live. Now, some of the hear an audio. Now this girl can't play now. I wish say this girl not keep this audio. We offer believe saying 1 bag of rice. Now Monica give this woman, and according to Vera, she do give away for she Precious Meg. Yeah, boy. I see the reason why Precious Meg stand with Monica 24 hours. I start with Monica 24 hours. I start with Monica 67 hours. I see the reason why yeah, boy, they say Monica, yeah, la onisa. Yay! A bag of rice. Yeah, to our bag of rice at last year, bag of rice was how much? It was not 18,000 or 20,000. Half bag of rice should be 15. Let's say half bag of rice 15,000. 4 liter of groundnut oil. Carton of Indomie. You go normal see 30,000 or 40,000. We are delivery. I will give away now. A fancy way. A back pony when not banana way. Then you come on here and be saying, and so you buy full bag of rice, and so you give her 200, almost 200,000, which did do give away, give her. And what you tell us now? And all of them are here. So you Vera, so because of her bag of rice, now you can't insult me about this man. Because of her bag of rice, you were humiliating people. You are the same woman. You were with the single mother for Germany. You get 3 children, you know they work. Kindergarten money, everything they collect, not do with you and your 3 children. You earn nothing less than 1,000 plus for Europe. Now you see the opposite, they fall, they see they fight for her bag of rice. It's a shame to you, Vera. Big shame and disgrace to you. They laugh, they do congratulations. Which kind of congratulations? Even though one cup of rice she give you. Even though one cup of rice, now this woman give you. It help you. It help your children too. You guy half cup of rice now give you. Even though one sachets of Indomie, now she's pay buy with your own money. Take give your own children. At least it help. You understand? That will not be because of that one. If they insult you, not insult you. Common sense will not come. If they disgwangwan you, we don't near you. They humiliate people, we don't humiliate you because of her bag of rice. Today now, table turn around. You understand? You use the mock, call it the mock. And you now you can worse past. Then come beg you, may you give them a bag of rice. Monica, if Vera do beg, if Vera will never come in, but they talk will never come in. If Vera do beg, when do we have a bag of rice, give you one and give you over. Did Vera come came to beg you to give her? I'll block you, sell the joke. Vera come beg you, may you give her a bag of rice. Vera call your house, come beg you, say, in the hungry, give her a bag of rice. You did it out of your own pocket to encourage them to do the fight for you. So my sister, women want time my mom. You understand? All those noise when they make, enter house, make shame your body. You give we are more. If we more get a key, you suck on the eye, no mama your way. We'll be too real, I tell you. But just follow yourself on social media, disgracing your household. All you need we are more.
Is it bad for now? I will bomb my yes, while we're sending you when a small. Don't double where do easy. Ah, wow, nonsense.
What are they, y'all?
What are they?
Because I disgrace her, yes, my sister. Because I disgrace her and I make her sister, they insult me to the. I am telling you. Because I can't talk and just not say Vera. But why you not play and sing? Now that one you supposed to play as you are a truthful somebody. You first of all say, Mona see before I start to the talk, not be saying no, you still buy something for my children. Okay. Umateta omi babo. O jagbon je ini. O si o logo akemi ewu wana when wado lawa. O jagbon je ini atakparak pa no bioji. O ma nu yemi na no ma tita where he give me something. O ma ni ave yemi wo wa what you win. Edu wa ya arabo witon. Okay, my lady, thank you. Hey, very annoying somebody. The rush come and one complain and have bad. Why didn't you say it before? Why didn't you tell people? I'm coming again next week to come and play more things. Come play the latest video of your children. You need to get arrested. Okay, who are saying Nigeria arresting we? No ya bielavo emoji. Mono ga be e shop be ma ba we. E monama koko e mikbi anama koko jana miya. Ya ubone ya gwalomania ya we ritual. Na biele monu eti koko. Do less social media will no fere ate no no ma so egbe. Ba ma ya no gugun.
Yes, so my people. What down here? Yeah,
It's very bad for real. It's so annoying. Daniel was calling. Can you call back? May one day to me not be like say with the waste. If you hear calling, they remove her when she's sick. Hello. Hello, Mommy Monica. Good time. Good time. Come on, me. Hello. Amen. Okay, you know about the matter.
Now people may not be like say, oh no, no, the person where they talk to. Now my beautiful sister that they talk to, Mother Orgasm. Mother Orgasm. Mother Orgasm is on the line. Mother Orgasm, the greatest orgasm. Orgasm part 1 and 2. Orgasm part 1 and 2. Orgasm part 1 and 2 is on the line with Monica, discussing about Destiny Ibagwa nakedness in Winere. In Winere. I go tell them the reason why they bring this video to come out. All the immortal again. All this I will did again. Even when we are you moving, yeah, very. More what those silly over like the old VA and where we years. Yeah, silly, or cardinal. Why you look at me when I wear banning done. When I wear a boy, you call Hori, more will remember all the atrocity that people has committed. Hobi, oh, yeah, now. Or what call you a platform, you what dominate the platform. You what I say? Or what call like